Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Tasty Tuesdays. Since we are having so much fun with Wacky Wednesdays, we decided why not have more fun? So here we are with Tasty Tuesdays. Tasty Tuesdays is all about traditional healthy recipes, about innovative recipes, about recipes from the heart, about recipes and the stories surrounding it. Yes, that makes the culinary journey interesting. So all of you out there, do share with us your traditional healthy recipes, your innovative recipes, recipes of mom, recipes of dad, recipes straight from your heart. And also do share with us your wonderful little stories. We would like you to join us on our culinary journey. So today, I'm going to share a story with you. Well, I am the mom of a teenage son. And like all teenagers, my son is busy studying, busy watching videos, busy innovating, busy being a leader, busy talking, busy hanging out, busy. So every day, I pack a small snack box for him with one fruit and either a small sandwich, roti roll or a granola bar. But most of the time, it goes to school and in the evening comes right back. Mom, I was busy is all that I hear. The bananas are beautiful and yellow in the morning. By evening, they are black and mushy. Now in my house, we have a rule. If you don't grow it, you can't throw it. As simple as that. But how do I get my teenage son, or for that matter anyone, have a black mushy banana? So what do I do? In my refrigerator, I have a collection box. So in both bananas in the collection box. Last weekend, we collected 3 bananas. So I took the 3 bananas, peeled them up. The inside is still black and mushy. Took 1.5 scoops of jawar or millet flour, 1.5 scoop of whole wheat flour, 4 tablespoons of grapeseed oil, a bowl of leftover homemade almond milk, few strands of saffron, and about 5 or 6 dates teeming with iron. The banana pulp, the dates, the almond milk went into my mixie and brrrr, I had a nice golden looking pulp, maybe slightly on the darker side. To that then I sprinkled my lovely saffron, which not only gave the fragrance but a hint of orange. Now with all that, I mix the jawar and the wheat flour and kneaded it with my fingers, giving a great workout to my tiny muscle joints. Beat it up, a lot of exercise for my wrist. Kneaded it more, then added the oil. Again beat it up and kneaded it till there was a smooth, nice shine. Rolled it into little balls and rolled into the most yummy parathas with a hint of sweetness, a hint of banana, a bit of saffron. Served it with homemade yogurt teeming with probiotics and a homemade pickle of turmeric and ginger to give a dash of antioxidants. Now tell me, what a yummy hot piping breakfast to serve on Saturday mornings. Why a teenager, anybody would gobble this up, wouldn't they? And in doing that, we have saved food waste. We have saved the food which have gone into the dump heap. Haven't we innovated in a beautiful way? If you want to know more such recipes, do watch our YouTube channel, Nature Nurtures Homeopathy. Do send us your recipe, do send us your stories. We are waiting to hear from you. Thank you.